Here are some effective methods to get rid of cockroaches and ants. Cockroaches. Cleanliness. Regularly clean kitchens, bathrooms, and dining areas. Wipe down counters and sweep floors daily to remove crumbs and spills. Take out the trash frequently and ensure that trash cans have tight-fitting lids. Seal entry points. Inspect your home for cracks, gaps, and holes, especially around doors, windows, and baseboards. Use caulk or weather stripping to seal these openings and prevent cockroaches from entering. Baits and traps. Place cockroach baits in areas where you've seen cockroach activity, such as under sinks, behind appliances, and in cabinets. Check and replace baits regularly for continued effectiveness. Use sticky traps to monitor and capture cockroaches. Natural remedies. Diatomaceous earth. This powder dehydrates and kills cockroaches. Sprinkle it in problem areas, such as along baseboards and under appliances. Boric acid. Mix it with sugar to attract and kill cockroaches. Place the mixture in small containers or sprinkle it in areas where cockroaches are active. Pesticides. If the infestation is severe, use over-the-counter insecticides labeled for cockroach control. Follow the instructions carefully. Consider hiring a professional pest control service for a thorough and targeted treatment. Ants. Cleanliness. Keep food in sealed containers and clean up crumbs and spills promptly. Wipe down surfaces regularly to remove food residue that might attract ants. Seal entry points. Inspect your home for gaps around windows, doors, and walls. Use caulk or weather stripping to seal these openings. Ensure that windows and doors close tightly and have no gaps. Ant baits. Place ant baits where you see ant trails, such as along baseboards and near entry points. Ants will carry the bait back to their colony, effectively eliminating the entire colony over time. Be patient, as it may take a few days for the bait to work. Natural remedies. Vinegar. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray it on ant trails and entry points to deter ants. Lemon juice. Squeeze fresh lemon juice on ant trails and entry points. The acidic nature of lemon juice disrupts their scent trails. Essential oils. Mix a few drops of peppermint or tea tree oil with water in a spray bottle. Spray it in areas where ants are active. Barrier methods. Diatomaceous earth. Create a barrier by sprinkling diatomaceous earth around entry points and along ant trails. Powdered chalk. Draw lines of chalk around entry points to create a barrier that ants won't cross. Consistency and vigilance are key to keeping both cockroaches and ants at bay. If you're dealing with a large infestation, consider consulting a professional pest control service for more targeted and effective treatment. Good luck with your pest control efforts.